Something this soft is made inside one of the fastest industrial machines on Earth. But how does fragile paper survive such extreme production speeds? Let's go inside the modern tissue paper industry. Everything starts here: raw pulp and recycled paper. These fibers decide softness, strength, and absorbency. One mistake here affects millions of tissue rolls.
It looks thin.
Hold it at 75. We can't afford a bad batch.
Water breaks the fibers apart into a thick slurry. This mixture looks simple, but balance is critical. Too thick or too thin, and production fails. Refining controls how soft or strong the tissue becomes. Tiny changes here define the final texture. Everything is monitored digitally in real time. This is where liquid becomes paper. Most water is removed in seconds. Fibers lock together to form tissue structure. Heat dries the sheet without crushing softness. This step consumes enormous energy. At this speed, paper moves faster than a car. One roll can weigh several tons. These are later turned into household products. Precision cutting prevents tearing. Embossing traps air, increasing softness. That pattern isn't decoration, it's engineering. Machines fold thousands every minute. Hygiene is sealed instantly. Robots handle speed humans can't. Automation keeps costs low. Even softness is measured scientifically. Only approved batches move forward. Millions of rolls wait here daily. Distribution never stops. Tissue reaches stores within days. This factory never sleeps. A simple product built with precision. Engineered to disappear safely. Efficiency meets everyday comfort. That's modern tissue manufacturing. Subscribe to NextGen AI for more factory documentaries.